do we have here? So some of you know I sold the KWs after having them in the car for a good 5 years, and I went with motion control. These are some of the best coilovers you can buy right now, and we use them on the race cars, so I thought, why not? So let's unbox these things. Alright, so first off, the packaging is beautiful. Give me my struts! Alright, before we get to those, a little goodie box here. Let's see what comes in that. So we got some stickers, collars, nuts, adjusters, some bracketry. Looks like brake line brackets for the front, and some spacers for locking the camber in place. My Vorslag strut tops do have these, but these are kind of nice. Some adjusting collars and lockdowns. All right, so basic stuff in the small box. Let's get to the good stuff, the nitty gritty deliciousness. Pieces that I spent a good portion of my quarantine money. First off, I want to say I've been working my ass off during this quarantine. I have 2 jobs. I work at the Mercedes dealer, which cut me back to 3 days. Been filling in the extra 2, sometimes 2.5 days delivering pizza. So now the pizza job, now that is something not a lot of people know about. If you get yourself into a good place, you can make a ton of money. I typically average between like $55 and $65 an hour. So if you're broke, try that out. All right, let's see what we got here. This one feels like a front. Gently. Are you ready for this? I don't even know if I'm ready for this. Let me in! It's beautiful. This one feels like a rear. I'll let it slide down like that. Carefully. Oh. It's sealed. Now we can take it. So, it's like a Chinese finger trap. What do they call this? No, whatever. Let's get the motion control logo on there, which is pretty. These are nice because all of the adjustments done on top, so you never have to crawl into the car and look like a moron. We got 2 more here. Beautiful. So it looks like the fronts are interchangeable left and right because they appear to be symmetrical. I have the mountings for the sway bar on both sides, mountings for the brake line bracket on both sides. At least until I bolt the brake line brackets on. Right now they're universal left and right. We have lockdown collar. Might take a while. That's the spring seat. And we're gonna throw that on too for the next half hour. Locked down. Okay. Have some nuts. Obviously the strut hat is gonna go in here too. But there you go. That is pretty much a complete MCS damper. And I'm not gonna bore you guys with me assembling the other 3, but there's another surprise for you. And that's coming next week.